Welcome to our ultimate grooming showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison of two top contenders in the grooming world: the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 and the Wahl Pro Series. Both of these trimmers promise versatility and efficiency, but which one truly stands out? Let's find out as we explore their features, pricing, and design to help you make an informed choice for your grooming needs. When it comes to pricing, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 is priced at $64, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for an all-in-one grooming solution. In contrast, the Wahl Pro Series comes in at a higher price point of $149. While the Wahl offers premium features, the significant price difference may be a deciding factor for many consumers. Ultimately, your choice may depend on your budget and grooming needs. Next, let's talk about battery life. The Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 boasts an impressive battery life of up to 5 hours, allowing for extended grooming sessions without the need for frequent recharging. On the other hand, the Wahl Pro Series offers a battery life of up to 2 hours. While both trimmers are rechargeable, the Philips clearly has the advantage here, making it a better choice for those who value longevity in their grooming tools. Finally, let's examine the design of both trimmers. The Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 features a more traditional design that focuses on functionality and ease of use. In contrast, the Wahl Pro Series showcases a high-visibility skeleton-style design, which not only looks modern, but also allows for better visibility during grooming. This unique design can enhance precision cutting, making it ideal for those who prioritize accuracy in their grooming routine. In conclusion, both the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 and the Wahl Pro Series have their unique strengths and weaknesses. The Philips offers affordability and longer battery life, making it a great all-around choice. Meanwhile, the Wahl provides a premium design and precision cutting features, albeit at a higher price. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your personal grooming needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more grooming tips and product comparisons.